popular Korean street hot dog. It's not your normal corn dog. It's a stuffed corn dog, and it's located inside of H-Mart.
What's up, travel heads? It's Brian for LifeOfBD, and we are at H-Mart right now. You know, they have a food court inside with the Korean corn dog. You know those Korean trendy corn dog with the cheese, the string cheese that stretches out? Yeah, we're gonna try that right now.
Korean hot dog is a trending snack to get in America right now. Whether you're trying it for the gram or eating it for joy, it's a win-win. I have a few friends joining me today: Marvin, David, and Dennis.
Hello, can I get one of the mozzarella sausage? Yo, what's up? So we just got done ordering our corn dog and we just received it. I have here the mozzarella and hot dog. Yeah, the mozzarella sausage. And what did you get?
And the squid ink.
Wow, that one looks pretty unique compared to mine. This is like the most typical one, you know. It's very trending out here, these type of corn dogs. People like to eat these and extend out the cheese and see how far they can extend it. And that's what I'm about to do. And cheers, yeah. Let's see how far. Yeah. That didn't extend too far? Oh wow. You are getting it there. Keep going, extend it out more. Let's see how far you could. So he beat me on the cheese extension. I gotta say, that cheese extended out pretty far out, that mozzarella. So it's crispy, definitely crispy. You could taste the sugar in it, a bit crunchy too. It tastes like a donut, right?
Yeah, tastes pretty crunchy, it's pretty good.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Marvin G, and we're here right now at H-Mart, and I purchased a corn dog from Bazak. It's gonna be my first time taking a bite of this. I got mozzarella for the other one. This one's gonna be the cheddar one. I'm gonna throw some spicy mayo on this. Do it just like that, and take a deep bite. Just nice fat bite. When you first bite into it, you get the texture of the rough patch around it. Mine is lightly battered with sugar.
Beef and cheddar is probably gonna be hot, burn my mouth, melty cheese. We'll see what happens next.
So as for me, I got two corn dogs. I got one that is filled with mozzarella and the other one is filled with cheddar. I don't know which one's which. I'll be in for a surprise when I take a bite.
Sure.
Just a tip?
Yeah, just
nah. Okay, ready? Wow.
The batter is different. Specifically because it's not a corn dog batter. It's definitely like breadcrumbs or panko on the outside.
It got kind of like a sesame ball texture. Yeah. Sugarly glaze on it.
Right. No sugar on mine, but the batter is still, you can definitely taste that it's sweet.
I don't have a hot dog in mine. I haven't tried anything that tastes like this. This is definitely unique.
This is different. Not your typical corn dog.
There's a corn dog down towards the very end.
On our next video, we're going to show you a hole-in-the-wall spot. You don't want to miss it, so consider subscribing. Until then, travel heads.